It's so hot in this room, I actually can't, like... Hi guys, it's Jasmine and welcome back to my channel. So today I have my first ever uni video, which is actually pretty mad. If you guys have been around for a while, like OG subscribers back in the day when I used to do properly, although have been pretty consistent with the travel vlogs, so we're going to try and keep this going. I used to say all the time how I wanted to do law and be a lawyer, and now I'm actually starting a law degree, which is pretty scary. The gap year has been and gone. I'm ditching the shell necklace, it's had its time, and now I'm ready to be a silly fresher. So I thought I'd go ahead and show you guys everything that I have accumulated. There's quite a lot here. Like, might have gone a bit over the top, but I just kind of bought everything. Like, I don't know, I'm excited. So I'm going to section this video off into sections. So I'm going to have like kitchen, bedroom. I don't have a bathroom, by the way. I have a tiny room, like a literal prison cell block. Like, I don't even have a sink in my room. It's a single bed, and I'm sharing a bathroom and obviously a kitchen for some context. So there isn't like a bathroom section as such. I'm going to start off with my bedroom as that's the most exciting. So Duvet is from Dunelm, the Dormer range. It's the anti-allergy full forever duvet. This is heavy. Okay, next thing is also from Dunelm, and this is a bit extra, but I don't really care. I've got a mattress topper. It's a memory foam one, that's the extra part, but best believe I am not sleeping on that mattress raw. Absolutely not. I don't know what liquids are going to be on there. Got myself a comfy little mattress topper. I don't actually have like a duvet like bed sheet, if you get me, so I need to get one of those, but I do have another mattress protector. We're being protected from this mattress. This is an anti-allergy one, also from Dunelm. I'm going to put this on top of the mattress, then the mattress topper, then the duvet, so nothing's going to be touching me that I don't want it to. Pillows, £20 from TK Maxx. They're for a brand called Foxford. I like my pillows firm, like everything. No, that's weird. So these are just microfiber embossed 2-pack check wall pillows. Don't know what any of that means. Never bought bedding before, I just went with my mum and felt them, and these felt nice. Okay, now for the more exciting stuff, in my opinion. Duvet cover. So I actually went for two. This is my spare one. This was from Amazon, actually. It's just a satin duvet cover. Feels pretty comfy, in sky blue rich satin. There you go. This is going to be my spare one. And then my main one came today actually from IKEA. It's their, I'm not going to be able to pronounce that. It's called this. I've just got some plain lilac bedding. Now, I'm a bit worried that this is double. I'm 90% sure I ordered a single, but this looks to me like it's a double. Like, that's a bit chunky. And there's also a picture of a double on there, and the dimensions on it are a double bed. So I may have ordered a double duvet accidentally, and I don't think that this will come in time for next Thursday. Anyways, this was intended to be my like main duvet, just like a cute little lilac colour. And I've got a pillow coming from H&M, which I'll insert a picture of here. Very cute, and it kind of ties like the lilac, pink, blue all in together. Then I got this blanket from TK Maxx. It was literally £10, just like a cream soft blanket that I can just throw on at the end of my bed. And this rug, which was from Tesco. I don't actually know how big this is, but it doesn't look like it's going to roll out to be that big, as my room is tiny. So yeah, just like a cream like ivory colour. Probably a bit risky, as I like am so messy and clumsy. This is not going to stay white, but the intention is there for it to look cute. So for under my bed, I've got two of these. Sneak peek to everything I'm about to show you. Two of these like under bed storage boxes from Asda. I think they were literally like £3 each, and I've just got two for now. Yeah, just pretty standard. We'll do a little storage section. So I don't actually know where I intend to put these things. Got a little box from Dunelm, thought this was cute. I don't know what I'm going to put in here or where I'm going to put it, but it's foldable. Got these set of 3 wicker baskets for £5 from Wilko. That is an absolute steal. Mainly bought it for the big one as it's a set of 3, but the big one I'm going to use as a bin. Also got this from B&M, £3. Don't really know what I'm going to do with it, it just looked cute. So some IKEA bits and bobs. These are the Malaren. This is just like a bunch of boxes, I believe, so I'm going to put these in desk drawers to organise like makeup. Also got these, which are Scub. There you go. They're kind of like fold out drawers that you can pop in your wardrobe. I'm a bit scared about the wardrobe situation, how much space I've got, as I have a lot of clothes, so yeah. Also got these from the Scub range, which are just some boxes, fold out boxes, which I can put in my drawers, which I'll show you in a second. And then just 2 packs of black hangers, which my mum ordered for me, because I forgot about the hangers. Got even more storage. These are from Primark. They're £1.50 and they're just like little crates. Don't know if I'm going to use them, but they're pretty cheap, so if I don't use them, it's not the end of the world. So I got a little mini pink one, and then a larger blue and kind of like lilac-y pink one. These are £3. Again, not entirely sure if I'm going to use them, but like got them anyways. Story of my life. Then I got this, which is from TK Maxx. It was about £15, and it's just like a set of 3 caddies. I think that's what they're called. I didn't need 3. Like, I don't know why I actually got a set of 3. I'll probably just use the top one to put my stuff in and take like in and out of the bathroom. Okay, I don't know how I'm going to show this. Last little storage bit is this from Wilko, and this is just a 4-drawer towel. This was £18. I think that's like super cheap. They're pink. What a shock. And I can just put like joggers in here, like more chunkier clothes so I have more space in my wardrobe. So then for my light, this came today. It's a bit big, but it doesn't matter. This is the Solkint light. So as you can tell, it's a bit big, but I thought it was cute. It was like £15, I think, or maybe a little bit more. But just as like a bedside table light, I thought it would look quite cute. For a wash bag, I picked up this laundry bag from Dunelm, which just says wash me, and I didn't want one that would take up floor space, so this I can just hang on a hanger and like fold it away when I'm not using it. This was £8 from Dunelm. So now for some more like cutesy decor bits. Got a little cactus. This was £3. This like trio of mini ones, which were £1 each. I'm really giving attention to the gross nails. This, which was £7, which is a vase. So could potentially use it as a vase or just as like a jug for water throughout the night. Save me like getting up, going to the kitchen. I can just kind of pour it out of here, as obviously I don't have a sink in my room. Then we have these, which I absolutely love. They are so cute. From Asda, £3 each, and I'm going to use these to put my makeup brushes in. So I got like 2 pinks and a purple. They're just in here. This is me and my boyfriend, but got a bunch of pictures printed off. If you guys are looking for cheap like prints, Groupon have really good deals with printer picks, and I got 400 prints for £10. So I got a bunch for a scrapbook that I'm making, and then I literally have about 80 prints. Obviously I'm not going to put them all because that's a bit excessive. They have like smaller amounts for cheaper as well, so just like putting on that. Pretty boring. Extension lead. This was a couple of pounds from Dunelm. So towels I got from Tesco. They're really soft actually, super soft bath sheets. I got 2 large ones, which I think were £9 each, 2 medium ones, which were £7, and then like a hand towel, which was like £5. And they're really soft, like super soft considering it's from like Tesco. So onto more like uni stuff, like for lectures and things. This is going to be my uni bag. I debated getting a backpack, but they just don't suit me. Like, I'm not really a backpack kind of gal, and I can't find any cute ones. So I went for a tote bag instead. This is just the Longchamp Le Pelage tote bag. I got this from Farfetch as they had 15% off. These bags are great, like super durable, waterproof. If you want me to do what's in my uni bag, then let me know. Then for planners, I got 2. Like, that's a bit excessive. So this one is like a diary, which I got from the Range. It was literally like £3, and it's just like a week to view type planner. Sometimes look at this and think that's really cute, I like it, and then sometimes look at it and think no, I don't. Saw this in TK Maxx the other day. This is £10. It does say 2023 on it, but it's like a 13-month academic planner, and I really like this one, and I'm just going to use this one instead. So you get like a kind of like overview of your to-do lists and goals. Then there's like a monthly overview, and then just like notes section. Stationery wise, I did actually like not go too crazy. I just got a pack of pens. The zebra ones are my absolute fave. Like the multicoloured one, and then the zebra mild liners for highlighters, and that's it. That's like all the stationery I got. I've got a glue stick in my drawer and some blue tack, but that's like all I'm going for. That's pretty crazy for me. Usually I go a bit over the top when it comes to like pens and stuff. Notebook wise, these are my favourite, the Oxford Campus notebooks, a set of 3 from Amazon. I think it was about £10. Got a little pencil case, just like a Diddy one, as I don't really need that much with me, from TK Maxx. This was £4. And then just 2 big A4 lever arch files from Amazon. I think this was about £6, as you have to get like a minimum of 2. Oh, also got like a water bottle. Well, I actually got 2. I got this one for myself first, just like a blue kind of like fold up one. But then my mum got this one, so I pinched it off her. It's pink. So I'm gonna have this one instead. It's from the Contigo brand. if you're bothered. Some command strips, just got these from Amazon. I was thinking about that one, don't know why I pronounced it weird. I think these were like £10. I got some of the like basic like leaves. This is like a 3-pack. I don't know how much these were. Then I got these strip lights, which are very basic. Now my boyfriend said that his flatmate last year had them and they attracted so many flies in the room, and like spiders obviously around the top where the strip lights are. So I'm kind of rethinking having these in my room. And then I think this is the last little bit for my room, is this which is going to be my bedside table. It's upside down. It's from B&M. It was £15. And it's actually for like a bathroom, so I don't know if it's going to look a bit silly when it's in my room. But I have to sleep with the fan on. Like, there's absolutely no way I'm sleeping without a fan on. Best believe if it's snowing outside, my fan is still on full blast. So I needed something that my fan could like sit on and just face my face. Has to be within a foot away from my face. So yeah, just picked up this. It's a little 3-tier shelving unit, not really much to it. We'll see how things look when it comes together in my room. Okay, now onto kitchen stuff. For my like bowls and plates, I got these super cute ones from Dunelm. So they're like, so each piece is like unique. That sounds so over the top. It's literally a £5 bowl from Dunelm. They're not like the exact same, they're kind of like misshaped, and I quite like that. And they're just like speckledy. So I got a little blue bowl. I only got one as I don't have cereal or anything, so I thought I'd just get like one little bowl. Then I got 2 side plates. These were £5 each as well. Then I got 2 kind of like pasta bowls. These were £6 each. I thought these would be good for like salads, just most things. Like this is good like me-sized like bowl plate thing. And then I got 2 big plates. These were £6 each as well. So now to whiz through the actual like kitchen bits and bobs. We'll start off with glasses, as these are cute. These are from Asda. They're £1 each. They're just like 2 basic highball glasses. They've got a little pink tinge at the bottom, so I thought they were cute. Then we have pans. I got 2. This was £25 from TK Maxx. I'm just going to use this as like a cross between a frying pan and like a wok. And then this one, this was £17. It's from Tower. I don't really know my kitchen brands. I know Tefal, but not Tower. 20 centimeter saucepan. It's like non-stick and everything, all that kind of shebang. So I literally got 2 because I can't see me needing more than 2. Got to mention this, so excited. This is a 3-tier air dryer, or airer, whatever it's called. Got a bunch of Tupperware from Asda, literally 21 pieces. This is a bit excessive at this point. Shot glasses, these were £3 for 6. They're a bit big, like these are big shot glasses, but I'm not going to be complaining. Got some cutlery from Dunelm. This was £5, 16-piece set, because like everyone says your cutlery goes missing. Some tea towels, these were £6, a pack of 5. Did I need 5? No. Did I get 5? Yes. Let's whiz through the utensils. These are all from Asda. We have a cheese grater, a garlic press, can opener, some scissors, soft grip solid spoon, a soft grip turner, soft grip tongs, a soft grip slotted spoon. So that's those. I got a 3-pack of oven trays, a 5-piece knife set and chopping board. You also get a little potato peeler in there. Then at the bottom we've got a cutlery tray, £3. Can fit everything in there. Last but not least, I forgot these. A colander for potatoes. I don't think this will be like okay for rice. Like I think rice will slot through that, but that's a future me problem. And then a little mini measuring jug. And then the last thing which I have is a little smoothie maker, which I'm also going to use soups, as I like a good soup. So yeah, just got this from Amazon. I think it was like £15 or something like that. So I think that's pretty much everything. Like I have stuff everywhere around me right now, like I can't move. As you can tell, I got a lot of stuff. I've definitely gone overboard. That's just me. Like I would rather get more stuff and be prepared. I know I can buy stuff when I'm there, but it's just fun. Like I'm excited. I do actually have 2 boxes which are really cute that my nana kind of put together for me. Do you know what? I'm gonna get them. So they're just 2 of these like size boxes. Well, the other one's a little bit bigger. And this is the most like precious nana thing to do ever. So she got me another campus notebook. Bathroom air fresheners, special like cleansing wipe, not cleansing wipes, like antibacterial wipes. She asked me what my favourite kind of type of biscuits, crisps, just like sensible stuff like washing up liquid. So all of that kind of stuff are in this box and another box over there. That's like the cutest thing ever. She asked me what my favourite like shampoo and conditioner is, so she's got me 6. So 3 shampoos, 3 conditioners. That is so cute. But yeah, I'm gonna end this video here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. It maybe was a little bit helpful. Like if you've forgotten anything, I'm sure there might be something here that you might have like thought of. Let me know if you guys are going to uni, if you're at uni or anything like that. And let me know if you guys have like any other videos you want me to do. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.